Hi marketers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Fiverr affiliates. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize, don't skip any part of this video or you might have a hard time understanding what's going on. Alright, I've planned everything to explain this clearly, so keep watching until the end without skipping. First things first, go to Google and search for Fiverr affiliate. You'll find options like Become a Fiverr affiliate or Fiverr partnership. One key point, you don't need to be a Fiverr seller to become an affiliate. Even as a beginner without a Fiverr account, you can register directly as a Fiverr affiliate. The Fiverr affiliate platform is separate from the regular Fiverr seller or buyer platform. You simply sign up as an affiliate to earn money through Fiverr. Before we proceed, let me show you something important, the Fiverr affiliate agreement. It's a long document, and reading it entirely can be tough. So I copied the text, pasted it into Google Gemini, and asked it to summarize what can you do and what you cannot do. The terms and conditions are critical, and the biggest rule is that you cannot refer yourself. It's strictly prohibited to use your own affiliate links for your purchases. If you're a seller, you also cannot promote your own gig through the affiliate program. For example, you can't create your own gig, become an affiliate, and promote your own service via affiliate links. This violates Fiverr's rules. To make money as a Fiverr affiliate, you need to promote genuine services from other sellers on Fiverr. Don't worry, I'll cover how to do this by the end of the video, so stay tuned. You can go directly to Fiverr.com. If you're not logged in, scroll down to find the Fiverr affiliate link. From there, you can research which products or services you want to promote. Selecting the right product is crucial. It should align with your interests and promotion strategy. Promoting a Fiverr gig typically involves creating blog posts or YouTube videos, which can be a lot of work. But I'll show you how to automate this process, so keep watching. To get started, go to the affiliate section and register. Here's a great surprise. Once you fill out the form, email address, username, choosing private one person, and answering questions like, do you have a main traffic source? Just say no. And submit your social media URLs like LinkedIn, TikTok, or Telegram. Fiverr will give you instant access to the affiliate program. This is a huge advantage. You can sign up and log in immediately. I'll skip this step since I already have an account, but your dashboard will look similar once you sign in. Next, go to the regular Fiverr platform, the buyer-seller side, and find a gig you want to promote. Once you find one, click the share icon, copy the gig link, and head to the affiliate dashboard. Under Marketing Tools, select Default and Deep Links. Then go to Deep Links. Paste the gig link there and save it. You'll get a new affiliate link, either for CPA or the marketplace, depending on your choice. To test it, open an incognito window, paste the link, and verify it directs to the correct gig page. If someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Since you can't promote your own gig, you need to find services you trust and like. Let me show you how you can promote my gig as an example. As you already know me of Good Landing Page Maker. Go to my gig, copy the link, and paste it into the Deep Links section of your affiliate dashboard. Generate the link, test it in an incognito window, and confirm it works. This is how you register as a Fiverr affiliate, create deep links for any gig, and start promoting. Popular options include CPA or marketplace plans, like Fiverr ProMaker. As mentioned, promoting your own affiliate link is prohibited, so you need a strategy to promote other gigs effectively. You can drive traffic through free or paid methods. It doesn't matter, but traffic is key. Writing blog posts or creating YouTube videos to recommend gigs can be time-consuming. Instead, I'll share tips to automate this process. Rather than promoting Fiverr affiliate links directly, consider promoting something else to maximize your efforts. For example, a ClickBank product can give you high percentage commission. If you're unsure what to promote on Fiverr, or find the Fiverr commissions less appealing, since Fiverr's affiliate program typically pays you commission for referring new users for first purchase. If you send traffic via paid ads, like Facebook or Google, and some visitors are already Fiverr users, you won't earn commissions for them. Since Fiverr is a popular platform, blindly sending traffic isn't good. Instead, try a different approach. For example, visit Munchai, a calendar marketplace for marketers looking for new products to promote. Alternatively, explore platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, Max Bounty, Warrior Plus, or Digistore24. Let's say you find a fitness product on Warrior Plus with a 50% commission, much higher than Fiverr's. Instead of promoting Fiverr, you could promote this product. Once you choose a product, you can drive traffic through organic methods, like blog posts or paid ads. However, affiliate marketplaces and ad platforms like Facebook and Google require a landing page. Why? A landing page builds trust and value, creating a focused environment for your visitors to take action. Sending traffic directly to an affiliate link is less effective and often generally prohibited. A landing page also allows you to collect leads, like names and email addresses, in exchange for something valuable. For example, you can give your secret Telegram group promoting your offer. Instead of making boring PDF, say, on a landing page with a form asking for visitors' email addresses. In return, they get access to your secret Telegram group where you share exclusive content. This fulfills affiliate marketplace and ad platform requirements while helping you acquire leads and more sales. Visitors join your Telegram group, and you can redirect them to your main offer, maximizing conversions. Now let's talk about creating a landing page. You can build one for free, though some may suggest buying a domain or hosting, which takes time. If you want a quick solution, hire me through my Fiverr gig for just $5. This is a promotional offer. For $5, I provide lifetime hosting on a subdomain, no need to buy a domain or hosting, a fast-loading SSL-secured landing page, and a form to collect names and emails. I design it to match your offer, ensuring it's high quality and conversion-focused. I'll deliver it in under 12 hours, often within 3-4 hours. Once your landing page is ready, you can run paid campaigns on Facebook or Google to drive traffic. While promoting your main offer, like VidIntel AI Studio, you can also promote Fiverr affiliates. For example, I built a landing page hosted on serverless server caller Netlify. All visitors can either click through to the main offer or notice designed by HireLancer watermark with a Fiverr logo. If they like the landing page's design, they may click the watermark, visit my Fiverr gig, and place an order. And if everything matched, you earn a commission. This watermark is optional and only added with your permission. It benefits both of us. You maximize your traffic's value, and I may get orders through my gig. If I receive an order, you could also earn a Fiverr affiliate commission. This is the best way to do Fiverr affiliates in 2025. Don't randomly promote gigs, as it's inefficient and risks violating terms. Instead, promote gigs you trust and have worked with. You don't need to invest heavily in ads or create dedicated content for Fiverr gigs. My method lets you promote another offer, from ClickBank, JVs, Sue, etc., while indirectly promoting Fiverr. Your landing page becomes a product itself. If visitors like it but aren't interested in your main offer, they may click the Fiverr watermark to order a similar landing page, earning you a commission. My gig starts at just $5, making it accessible, and you could earn more than me through affiliate commissions. This approach leverages both your main offers platform, like ClickBank, and Fiverr, maximizing returns. If you're new to affiliate marketing and unsure what to promote, connect with me via the WhatsApp link in the video description. I have ideas that could blow your mind and deliver high returns. You don't need to rely solely on paid ads. Free traffic from social media is also effective. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more affiliate marketing content. Take care, and I will see you in my next video.